The triple threat of viruses is surging across the U.S. and here in the inland Northwest.
State and local health departments are now saying it's more important than ever to follow virus prevention guidelines. Tonight at 6:30, our Peter Choi explains how these respiratory diseases are impacting our community.
Yeah, if you're staying at home sick because of viruses like RSV, flu, or COVID, you're not alone. The Washington Health Department says they're seeing a surge of winter respiratory disease, which are impacting the state's health system.
The winter surge of flu, the winter surge of RSV, and the winter surge of respiratory disease, which is really impacting our healthcare system.
3 respiratory viruses are sweeping the country this winter, starting to take a toll on our community.
Respiratory viruses are impacting the entire state. In general, a pattern that we sometimes see is that a virus will peak first in the western part of the state, and followed by a peak maybe 1 or 2 weeks later in the eastern part of the state.
And now impacting a local hospital in Spokane.
We are seeing significant amounts of influenzas, pneumonias from the influenza, and because we have a children's hospital, we have a significant amount of RSV. We've actually opened an additional unit to be able to accommodate all of the RSV patients that are coming into our facility.
The students are getting sick at school. Spokane Public Schools is now requiring all students, staff, and visitors to mask up at Wilson Elementary School. SPS says about 30% of students were absent on Monday, higher than the average absentee rate in the district. Areas in North-Idaho are seeing similar cases, particularly among younger age groups.
We've had a couple schools reach out to us about that, and we've advised them on the important things if somebody is sick to keep them home, and to also, the sanitation. We do say that masking is one way that they can help prevent the spread of that.
The Washington Health Department recommends simple steps to stay healthy. Get vaccinated if you haven't done so, and wash your hands often and wear a mask in indoor settings. And you can self-test at home for COVID, and most importantly, stay home if you're sick to avoid spreading viruses. Live in studio tonight, Peter Choi, 4 News Now.
Peter, thank you.